Two giants in the world of project management, but which platform truly fits your workflow? On one side, ClickUp, known for its all-in-one promise, and on the other, nTask, the up-and-comer with a streamlined approach. We're testing how they stack up in the areas that really count: features, interface, collaboration, pricing, integrations, and more. Let's ignore the marketing hype and see how they perform where it matters. We'll hand out points for each category, and at the end, reveal which one claims the crown. The winner might surprise you. Let's get into it. So, here's our game plan. We're going to compare these apps across, all the stuff that actually matters: price and value, features and integrations, ease of use, team collaboration, mobile experience, reporting and analytics, and, of course, security and compliance. It's everything you need, and trust me, there are surprises. Let's kick things off with price and value. So, nTask is honestly super friendly on your wallet, especially if you're working solo or with a small team. Cheaper paid plans? Check. Most of the essentials are covered even on their most basic plan. The only catch? The free plan is kind of bare bones. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers a super generous free plan, wow, you get a lot right away. But once you want fancier features, you gotta go for the pricier higher tiers. So, if you're trying to save some cash and need the basics, nTask takes this round. Now, onto features and integrations. This is where things get real spicy for ClickUp. Think, advanced automations, multi-view dashboards, literally hundreds of integrations. It's like a productivity playground. But it does come with a bit of a learning curve. nTask, though, keeps things simple. Good task and project management, tight integrations with Slack and Google Calendar, but yeah, that's about it. If you want powerhouse features, ClickUp easily wins here. Ease of use? Oh, this one's always a biggie. nTask totally nails it for everyday users. Intuitive design, honestly. Even onboarding is quick. The flip side? You don't get much room to tweak things how you want. ClickUp is, wildly customizable, but I won't lie, it's complex, and you'll definitely need some time to get comfy. For pure ease and getting started fast, nTask snags the spotlight here. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Did you know the average worker toggles between 10 or more apps every single day? Kinda wild, right? Makes you wonder if these platforms really help cut down the chaos, or if they're just another tab open. Team collaboration. Okay, if you're all about working with others in real time, ClickUp has some serious bragging rights. Real-time chat, robust permissions, even in-app docs and whiteboards. It's almost, dare I say, overkill for smaller teams. nTask is more straightforward, easy sharing, task assignment, but that's about it. Not a lot of extra bells and whistles. So for teams that want those advanced collab features, ClickUp is the star of this round. Let's talk mobile experience, because honestly, who stays off their phone for long? Both platforms actually do a solid job here. ClickUp's app is jam-packed with features, sometimes to the point that it feels like a desktop app squeezed onto your phone, but there's occasionally some sync lag. nTask, though, is all about keeping things simple and quick, super easy to use, but don't expect the advanced stuff. For mobile, these two are basically on equal footing. Now, reporting and analytics, oh man, this is where ClickUp goes full enterprise mode. You get custom reports, time tracking, goal tracking, even workload charts. The setup can be a bit intimidating at first, not gonna lie, but the data is there if you want it. nTask, on the other hand, sticks to the basics. You get simple stats, but nothing groundbreaking. If detailed tracking matters to you, ClickUp is the clear winner here. Last but not least, security and compliance. ClickUp throws down with SOC 2, GDPR compliance, and enterprise SSO. The catch? Most of these beefy security features are in those higher priced plans. nTask keeps things secure enough for most small businesses, but if you're talking big enterprise level, yeah, some options are just missing. So ClickUp is honestly more future-proof here. Okay, so if you look at the big picture, there's definitely strengths and weaknesses for both. ClickUp totally dominates with features, analytics, and team collaboration, but it's got that learning curve, and the best stuff is under the pricier plan. nTask, super approachable on price and usability, but it's not as decked out with extras. Here's my quick take. If you're a power user, part of a large team, or you just love advanced workflows and detailed analytics, ClickUp is your jam. But if you're flying solo, freelancing, or running simpler projects, nTask is a smoother, no-fuss fit. If this rundown helped you out, let us know. And hey, subscribe if you want more honest, no-nonsense comparisons like this. See you in the next